First things first is this delicious shredded ribeye. Yeah. Fair amount in there. And this is my black bean and corn salsa. The recipe I will pop up on the screen. This is like one of the best salsas you can ever make. The hell with the paste of Old El Paso and Ortega. That stuff is all right at best. Oh yeah. Get you some queso. Oh yeah. Damn it. That's just sexy. You got some Dorito crumbs. This is nacho cheese and the Monterey Jack in the white bag. Just throwing that in as you crunch. Get this salsa here. This salsa blows Ortega and Old El Paso out of the water all day. It's so good. The sweet onion is. Get some sour cream in there. Oh, yummy like shit. And dude, more cheese companies should do this. Talk about a win. Sargento. Do it. I get paid by any of these people. I don't know why I'm like so like quoting brands and shit. I'm not getting paid by any of these jerks. Sargento, pay me. Then give it a roll. How to roll giant burrito is a video. I'll pop up that on the screen too. Oh yeah. Get it roll up. Careful not to squirt burrito juice everywhere. Yeah. One down, a little more to go. Alright, once you get all your burritos rolled, get your pan nice and hot. Oh yeah. Fried burritos today, baby. Oh. Let's get everything inside all melty and inside. Yeah. Put oil in this damn pan for it to stick. What do you think it's doing? It's fucking sticking. Stupid thermodynamics. I'm gonna toss these plates. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Fried burritos. Ain't much else to it. And whatcha. There it is, perfectly fried burrito. Ooh, yeah. No, look at that big old fucking mess. You know what? Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Fried burrito. I'll eat that shit with a fork. I mean, damn. Didn't even make it out of the kitchen.
Nope. No, had to.
Yeah,
It's delicious.
Right, eat it up.
Oh, fuck.